This passage is mainly about A. The cause of illiteracy among women, B. The effects of illiteracy among women, C. The cause of reduced illiteracy rates among women, or D. The effect of educational opportunities for girls. When a question asks what a passage is mainly about, in essence, it is asking what is its main idea. As we've learned, a main idea is an idea that encapsulates the main point an author is trying to make when writing a passage. With this in mind, let's go through each choice and see if, based on the contents of the passage, it would make sense as a main idea. A. The cause of illiteracy among women. Although the passage does discuss illiteracy rates in general and the literacy rates of young women specifically, it doesn't discuss the cause for either one of these. Nowhere do we see the author offering any reasoning for why the illiteracy rates among women were so high. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. B. The effects of illiteracy among women. Again, we only see the statistics of the literacy rates, and nowhere do we see mention of the effects that these had. Therefore, this too can be marked as incorrect. C. The cause of reduced illiteracy rates among women. In contrast to choice A, here we do see a cause mentioned. The main reason for this decline is the sharp increase in the literacy rates of young women. The text even details for us that this is the result of campaigns to increase educational opportunities for girls. Because people campaigned to increase educational opportunities, women's illiteracy rates decreased. The first sentence introduces this idea as well, by opening up with the general idea of worldwide illiteracy rates in order to introduce the more specific topic of women's illiteracy rates. This could very well be our final answer, as we see every sentence in the text relating to this point, but we're going to go on just in case. D. The effect of educational opportunities for girls. This also looks like it could be a probable candidate. After all, the passage focuses on the literacy rates of young women, which we're told is the result of campaigns to increase educational opportunities for girls, like we see reflected in our question. However, only the last sentence really discusses this in detail, when it outlines the statistics in women's literacy. Although one could make an argument for this choice as an answer, when compared to choice C gives a more general overview of the passage and would therefore have to be considered as our main idea and our final answer.